So, hey everyone, and this year I decided that I'm going to be someone who creates, like the new year, new me type. But then I realized that your creations need to go out in front of people. Like, damn, the people are going to see it, and that is horrifying. Like, I find that so scary. Creating is cringe, especially as a beginner. I mean, what would people think? What would they think? What would they see? What if people see your creations and scoff at it? Like, who is she trying to be? Does she think she can make something? Things like that, that negative voice in my head, in your head. If you clicked on this video, that means that little negative voice is in your head too. But here's the kicker, wait. The creative process itself, I feel kinda happy, and I'm sure it makes you happy as well. That's why you are desperate to create something, to be creative. I don't know, aren't we all somehow creative or longing to be creative, to create something, be it dance, song, music, anything, painting, graffiti, writing, anything. It's hard to explain really for us creative souls that it's not just about being happy, it's more than that. The process of creating grounded, like my feet are on the ground, my mind is back in my skull, and my soul is back in my body. That's how it feels. But here's the kicker, when that creative product goes out in the open, that same soul, that as a beginner, like that thing is happening right now. I am trying to create this video and I feel my heart pumping in my throat. Whew, it's scary. So here's the thing us beginners need to remember. No one starts off good. Actually, I need to tattoo it right here somewhere. But no one starts off good. In fact, all the beginners start off as crap. Please don't call me crap in my comment section. Thank you. The worst part of being a beginner as a creative person trying to create anything is that you start off as bad and you start off as exposed. Like, you are bad, but you are bad in front of people. Someone will see it. Someone will have to see it. So it's tragic, but it is what it is, and for our own sake we have to do it because we can't stop our own creativity. That's it. So here I am sitting in a park trying to begin something, trying to create, and the amount of courage it takes to be a beginner as a creative person is astounding. Like, I'm kind of proud of myself, and I'm proud of you. If you are trying to start something, create something, I am proud of you. As a beginner, if anything, you need to be someone who is sincere and earnest. That's the thing. I don't actually have some great big advice for anyone trying to create something new. The only thing I can tell you that you have to be sincere and earnest about it. Just begin. For a beginner's methodology, I have the advice that start with the smallest step you can think of. Like, what is the smallest step you can take towards your creative journey? It could be in any field, that doesn't matter, but begin with the smallest step and stick to it with the patience of a Buddha. That's the beginning. This beginner step will feed your momentum. It will feed that creative soul that you have in you to create. I'm using that word create a lot, but that's what this video is about. So let that momentum feed the creative, sincere person, sincere soul in you, and allow it to bloom. If you are a beginner and if you stick to this, in fact, you will be doing yourself and the world a favor by allowing your own creativity to shine, because in fact the world needs it. I don't know how or why, but the world needs more creative people who are kind and in touch with their own authenticity. So that's what we are here to do. Let this video be a sign. So happy creating despite the cringe.